How's it going, everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to trade draft picks in ESPN Fantasy Football. So let's get started. So first of all, you open up the app and you go to the league that you are already signed in with. And then you have to press on matchup. And after that, you have to press on league. And in here, you can find all the teams that you can trade with. Let's, for example, press on this one. And after that, you can simply trade by pressing on proposed trade. And in here, you can select the player that you wanted to receive. And let's say, for example, this one and this one. And then you press on next. And in this page, you can press on the player that you wanted to offer in return. And let's say, for example, these two. And then you press on review. And in here, you can see the review and the breakdown from your team and the other player's team. And you can simply press on submit. Or if you wanted to edit trades, you can press on edit trade. I'm going to submit for now. And it's going to lead you to this page right here. We can simply press on pending moves. And you can press on trade proposals. And here is the trade that you wanted to make. You can simply press on cancel if you don't want it anymore and press on yes. And basically, there is another way to trade. You can simply press on the player that you wanted to trade. Let's say this one, for example. And then you can press on trade right here. And you can press on next. And then pick the player that you wanted to offer and press on review. And then submit. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Cheers.